In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple CRM in ClickUp. We'll start by creating the foundation. Open ClickUp and create a new space by clicking the plus icon for new space. Name it CRM so it's easy to spot later. In the Everything view, choose to start with templates, search for CRM and pick either the simple CRM template or the customer database template, then click Use Template. Starting from a template gives you a solid structure right away, so you're not reinventing the wheel. Next, set up your pipeline so it mirrors your sales process. Inside your new CRM space, switch the list to board view. Rename the stages to lead, contacted, discovery, proposal, and closed won or closed lost. Drag and arrange them to match the way you actually move deals forward. Think of this board as your visual control center. Each column represents a clear step toward a decision. Now it's time to add contacts. Click New Task and name it with the client's name. Open the task and fill in the key fields. Email, phone, company, deal value, and priority. Set the task status to place that contact in the correct pipeline stage. To make your records richer and more useful, add custom fields for budget, last contact date, lead source, and next action. A quick tip here, write the next action as a clear verb and date, like send proposal by Friday. To track communication, use the comments section inside each client task to log calls or messages and upload screenshots, contracts, or notes so everything lives in one place. Assign the next action to yourself so it's unmistakably on your radar and set a due date for follow-ups. This turns every contact into a living record that shows history, context, and what's coming next. For fast tracking, take advantage of ClickUp's built-in views. List view shows all contacts in a tidy list. Board view displays your pipeline stages at a glance. Calendar view highlights follow-ups and deadlines. Table view gives you a spreadsheet-style overview for filtering and sorting. Switch views depending on what you need to monitor in the moment. To save time, add automations. Go to automations and create a few helpful rules, like assigning the task to you when the status changes to contacted, sending a reminder when the due date arrives, and moving a task to a deals list when it's marked closed won. Finally, if you want quick performance insights, create a dashboard that surfaces total leads, total deal value, conversion rate, and tasks due today. With this setup, you'll stay organized, focused, and ready to close more deals.